Hi. So as we all know, we Aakash have been leaders in coaching industry for more than 31 years. And we know at this point of time when there are just few months left before the NEET exam, there are several questions that run in every student's mind. Questions like, will I be able to cover the entire syllabus of class 11th and 12th in the few months? Are there some important chapters that need to be practiced more? Are there some chapters that I can afford to leave? Or is there any timetable or a schedule that I can follow while practicing these chapters? And guys, if you have similar kind of doubts and questions running through your mind, don't worry, because Aakash Digital comes up with a fast track course. Basically, it is a recorded video lecture offering. Let me walk you through the highlights of this course. Number 1, recorded video lectures. These videos are recorded by expert faculty at Aakash. The videos cover all the important topics from exam standpoint. You will oftenly find our experts using diagrams, short tricks, mnemonics, flowcharts, comparative tables, which act as an efficient memory aid. Also, to make sure that language is not a barrier, these recorded videos are available in 2 modes, that is English and Bilingual. Number 2, study material. Study material is available in the form of ebooks to further strengthen your topics, and this study material has been designed by experienced Aakash faculty with their in-depth knowledge and experience. Number 3, chapter assignments. At the end of every chapter, you will find a set of important questions that will help you to apply the concept that you have learned in the chapter. Number 4, final test series. This course provides you final test series that includes part syllabus test and full syllabus test, which is exactly based on the final exam pattern. Number 5, detailed analytics. With the help of this feature, you will get to know where you stand among thousands of the students who are just competing like you. This analytics is so detailed that you will also get to know amount of time you have spent on solving a question correctly and the amount of time a topper has spent to solve that question correctly, so that you will get to know where I need to invest less time. Number 6, study planner. One of the exclusive feature of this course is a detailed study planner. This detailed study planner guides you how much to study in particular subject in a week-wise manner. Number 7, previous year paper. A very crucial part of everyone's preparation is having a good hands-on previous year papers. This course brings you previous year paper compilation that will give you the real-time simulation of the final exam and will definitely boost your confidence levels. Number 8, rapid revision notes. A usual challenge that every student faces. What to study last moment before exam. Rapid revision notes caters to all such problems. Lastly, point number 9, which is ask an expert. It is very imperative whenever we will study, a doubt will come. And in order to solve your doubts instantly 24/7, we have this feature, ask an expert, through which you can send your doubts either by typing or by sending a picture of your question. As you have gone through the highlights of this course, what are you waiting for? Grab your course right now and climb the ladder of success with us.